if we need to replace the controller box with a new one, first thing that we need to do is disconnect the cable from the controller box. So we remove the power, disconnect all charging leads, remove them all to the side, and then we have on both sides 4 thumb screws, which are going to be unscrewed by hand. We won't need any tools. We need to hold the control box not to fall and damage it. Then we just slide it off, follow the Ethernet cable, and then disconnect it from the router. It will have a clip. Just gonna push the clip to be able to get it out, and then we have the control box, which is removed, and we are ready to install the new one. To install the new control box, place it into its allocated slot, start tightening all 4 thumb screws that we've unscrewed. Connect the Ethernet cable back into the router, and then reconnect the charging leads. Left hand side part of the podium is going to get connected into hub 1. First one is going to be wireless charger, green port. Second one is going to be USB-C cable, where we're not going to have any markings. USB-A is going to have an A, is going to say number 2, which we need to connect later. USB-C cable, as I mentioned. Second cable, third cable, Type-C, orange. Fourth cable, lightning, red. Now we're going to go to the plate facing us towards the door. First cable again is going to be wireless charger, green. Second cable, A port. Third cable, USB-C, orange. Fourth cable, red, lightning. Once the cables are connected, the Ethernet cable is connected, it's safe to connect back the power. And now we just plug it into the controller box from the bottom, and the unit should start.